Okay, Veer Sanghvi has a question as well. Go ahead, Mr. Sanghvi.
My question is actually for Mr. Scindia. Mr. Scindia, I mean no disrespect, but I think it's fair to say that when you were sent off to Madhya Pradesh, nobody really thought you could win this assembly election. The general view was if they sent you now, they probably sent you too late, you could unite the party, you could appeal to younger voters, and you could make some kind of showing at the Lok Sabha election. That was always the original game plan. Is that game plan still on target, or has this been a setback?
Well, I don't know what the game plan was or is, and I can't answer a what-if question because there will be multiple what-if questions. The very clear line of sight that I have is that I was entrusted with a responsibility and I could not deliver. And I think I must first accept that.
Any person who came along with you on the campaign trail, Jyotir, will say your rally's got a good response, you spoke really well, you energized the party cadre. If at all, as an election strategist, as a campaigner, you were far more effective than Rahul Gandhi. The question will be asked, if not today then tomorrow, why should Rahul Gandhi be in charge of the Congress party? Why not someone who's a better campaigner, a better speaker like Jyotiraditya Scindia, sir?
Well, let me first answer this, Rahul, by saying that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is a unanimously elected Vice President of the Congress Party. And I think in a democratic party, that decision rests with the party cadre, and that's the decision that has been taken. We have complete faith in his leadership. His appeal, not only among the youth, but the 120 crore people across the length and breadth of this country is self-evident. I don't think you can make that judgment call based on the results of 4 state elections. We have just won 3 state elections 3 months ago in the 3 states that I mentioned. That was also underneath his leadership. I think that this country is looking for people who are accountable, who know how to lead from the front, and I think Rahul Gandhi ji epitomizes all of that.
But can it be said, Mr. Jaitley, that he's leading from the front? Will this question ever be asked? Is Rahul Gandhi the best electoral card for the Congress, or would someone like Jyotiraditya Scindia, possibly even a Sachin Pilot, be much better? Or do you think that question is out of the realm of contemplation? Will that question ever get asked? If the Congress fails in election after election, will there be pressure within the party rank and file to ask that question, Mr. Jaitley?
Well, that's an internal matter of the Congress party. I don't want to embarrass Mr. Scindia by saying on open television that the opposition in India prefers him over somebody else. That's an internal matter of the Congress party. I must compliment the way Mr. Scindia campaigned for his party, even though the odds were entirely against the Congress party. I think where Mr. Gandhi failed in this election was not the fact that he didn't lead from the front. When he found that the going was tough, particularly in the last 10 days, he almost disappeared from the campaign. After that one failed meeting in Delhi, he didn't come back to address a second meeting. That's not what leaders are supposed to do.